Good morning, welcome to AyaansEasyMath. The problem is given. Solve for real. If ax plus by equal to 6, okay, bx minus ay equal to 2, x square plus y square equal to 4, then what is the value of a square plus b square? So here, those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates and you can gain the knowledge. So here the problems are critical, logical and thinking problems. Hard problems will be uploaded here. So here what is the problem? First pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you get the answer a square plus b square value? So here the logic is there. So first what is given you will take. Given ax plus by is equal to 6 and bx plus minus ay is equal to 2. Let it be 1 and 2. So here squaring on both sides. So that is the logic here, squaring on both sides. So here what will get us if you do squaring on both sides. So here a square x square x square plus a square x square plus 2abxy plus b square y square is equal to 36. Let it be 3. So if you do the second one, squaring on both sides, b square x square minus 2abxy plus a square y square is equal to 4. This is, let it be 4. So here squaring taking common, if you do addition, so the first term will second term will get cancelled. Here a square x square plus b square x square plus b square y square plus a square y square is equal to 40. So here you can take common. So here x square you can take common. Okay, here y square you can take common. So a square plus b square into x square plus here you can take common. So what is common here? B square plus a square y square is common is equal to 40. Now a square plus b square is common in both. Bracket x square plus y square is equal to 40. So here a square b square x square y square value is given for a square plus b square into 4 is equal to 40. So a square plus b square is equal to 40 by 4. You will get 10. Therefore a square plus b square value is 10. So I hope you like the video. So subscribe the video and share the video to your friends. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.